Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to become an Amazon product reviewer. Whether you're looking to share your opinions on products you love or hoping to eventually join Amazon's Vine program, where you can receive free items in exchange for honest reviews, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started and build your reputation as a trusted reviewer. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Now, here's something important you should know before we dive into the review process. Amazon allows anyone with a qualifying account to review products they've purchased, and if you consistently write quality reviews, you may eventually get invited to the Amazon Vine program, which gives you access to free items in exchange for honest feedback. Becoming a recognized product reviewer starts with writing basic reviews and gradually builds up to advanced programs like Vine. The steps I'm showing you today are based on current 2026 guidelines, so you can trust that this information is up to date and verified. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your past purchases. Now, I don't have any orders in my account right now, but don't worry, I'll still walk you through what you need to do next so you know exactly what to expect when you have items to review. When you do have past orders, look through your purchase history and find an item you'd like to review. Next to each purchased product, you'll see a button that says Write a Product Review. Click on that button to begin the review process. This will open up the review submission page where you can share your thoughts and experiences with the product. On the review page, start by selecting a star rating that reflects your overall satisfaction with the item. Below that, you'll find a field labeled Add a Title. Type in a clear descriptive title that summarizes your main point about the product. Then, in the larger text box below, type out your full review. Be as detailed as you can, sharing your honest experience. If you have photos or videos of the product, I highly recommend adding them as well, since reviews with visual content tend to be more helpful to other shoppers and often receive more engagement. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit at the bottom of the page. Your review is now live. To build a strong review history, I suggest repeating this process for 3 to 5 items. The more quality reviews you write, the more credibility you'll build on the platform. Now let's talk about how to write effective reviews that actually stand out. The key is to be specific. Don't just say a product is good or bad. Instead, talk about the pros and cons, how long you've been using it, and how it compares to similar items you've tried. For example, instead of writing great headphones, try something more descriptive like durable and comfortable after 6 months of daily use. Titles like that immediately tell other shoppers what to expect and make your review more valuable. Adding photos or videos can significantly increase the number of helpful votes you receive, which in turn boosts your reviewer ranking. Also, try to review consistently within 1 or 2 product categories. This helps Amazon recognize you as a knowledgeable voice in those areas, which can improve your chances of being noticed for programs like Vine. And that's it. You've now learned how to start your journey as an Amazon product reviewer. By writing honest, detailed reviews and staying consistent, you'll build a strong reputation and may even unlock opportunities like the Vine program. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.